Okay, we're making dash eggs, and I'm making it using this little machine. So the first thing you have to do is there's a little pin right here. So you have to, oh, wait a minute, you gotta take the cover off. There's a little pin right here. So you take it and you poke the egg. I don't know if you could see it, but there's a little tiny hole. And you place the egg there. Okay, I'm only doing 2 eggs and I want to do hard boiled. If you do hard boiled, I have to cook this for 12 minutes. And then I have to fill this up with water. Markers here, so hard boiled, and then it's got like medium boiled and soft boiled. So I have to fill it up to the top, and then I pour it in here. I put the lid on, and then it cooks for 12 minutes. So hold on a minute. Okay, I'm pouring the water in. Put the lid on. See, just like that. Turn it on. I have to do it with 2 hands. There you go. And it'll cook for 12 minutes for hard boiled, and I'll show you how it turns out. The machine also does come with this tray, so you can make poached eggs in that. And then you can make, look at how cute this is. You can make little mini omelets with this. So I'm gonna have to try it with the omelets. I guess I could try it with the poached eggs too. So, and here's what it's doing. It starts steaming up and it'll be cooking for a couple of minutes. So when the eggs are done, it turns off and it starts making that noise. Ooh, these are hot. Okay, here you go, perfectly cooked eggs with our little dash maker. This dash maker allows you to make up to 7 hard-boiled eggs. And as I said, you can make omelets and poached eggs with it, 2 omelets, and you can make 2 poached eggs with it. So it's a time saver, it's a space saver because it's really not that big, and you can enjoy your proteins without having to sacrifice space.